Yo.
Dude, that was my first ever half kill one.
One thing that I know, ay, I can't fuck with hoes. Ay, one thing that I know, ay, I need one, need more.
Oh my god, that was ugly. Really couldn't see coming dark.
Yeah.
Should I do it again? Cleanliness.
Yeah.
Let me see this.
Oh, mom! If you.
Yeah.
Pull up Rari coupe, ay, Rari got no roof.
I want to keep trying that piece of backlash, bro.
Yeah, it was just one hit taken out of it, and I cracked a full bowl.
No, I was talking about that, but this is fine.
I should probably go put on my shin guards.
You doing a webisode hat, bro?
Vlogging, bro. Woo!
Hop under.
Nick.
What, Nick?
18.
Want to say a mani bar?
Yeah, hold it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's tough.
That nigga, shit. That was close.
Yeah! Vlog, boy. Change this shit. Nah, no.
I just switch ice on the inside.
Yo!
What did you?
You bar?
We are whooped.
Goot.
Whooped and pooped.
Goot.
And your shoes are looking good. Over and out. Left and right.
Bitch.
That's how it's gonna be. I fucking see how it's gonna be.
Look at Taylor just showing his eyes.
Yeah. I know bitch.
He's showing his eyes. Look at his eyes. Look, where's your eyes?
Mm-hmm.
Hidden.
And my guy, my shit's fucked.
I got some sick ass videos of mine.
Mysterious guy that Rico, if you don't get your binocular hand ass. Ugly. Oh, ugly ass.
Oh yeah, nigga.
She might talk that talk, ay, she gon' give me roof. I got the cream, that's from Garden Green. Nigga be tweaking, they off a beam. I put no rest in my Chewy jean. I got the moves like a Billie Jean.